Sabha has taken the right decision that the hearing is going to be postponed until the CZMP is ready.
Until the CZMP?
CZMP is
CZMP is
finalized.
Okay,
Is
okay.
finalized.
I think CM has taken a good decision. He has assured everybody that he met a whole delegation, and it looks like he is very positive in whatever he is saying. Like last time I said, he has made it very clear that we will not have the hearing, and that we will have it hearing as soon as the CZMP is finalized. I think CZMP finalization is what everybody wanted. I think, and it's a step in the right direction, and it is people's view which he is people's view he is going to take.
I think this was the request from the people of the village
Yeah.
of Naushi, and I think CM has abided by the request, not only of the villagers but all of us. All of us
So
are
public hearing has been postponed till CZMP is finalized.
finalized.
But Navshin villagers said they don't want public hearing. They directly want that marina project to be cancelled. In protest, they made the demand today to collector.
See, as a chief minister, I don't think he can take that stand in view of the investments and all that. But I think we as people who are opposing also have to give him sufficient time. I don't feel that we should not trust him at this point, because people's demands are there. Some of the people's are there. Now let us not go into details of this. I think he's taken a good decision, and everybody has agreed here. Now, for those who want to make it another issue, that we will address it separately.